In today's fast-evolving manufacturing world, precision, efficiency, and reliability are no longer optional. They are essential. At Zhejiang Hoping Machinery Limited Company, we are committed to redefining packaging automation. Established in 2001, Zhejiang Hoping Machinery is a leading pharmaceutical packaging machinery manufacturer in China, integrating R&D, production, marketing, and global service. With over 300 employees and a modern production facility covering 30,000 square meters, we deliver high-performance packaging solutions to customers worldwide. Our core products include blister packaging machines, cartoning machines, flow wrappers, bundlers, case packers, palletizers, all-in-one blister lines. Serving industries such as pharmaceuticals, food, electronics, and cosmetics, we provide both standalone machines and fully integrated turnkey solutions. For more than 25 years, our equipment has been trusted by more than 2,000 pharmaceutical companies worldwide. Driven by continuous innovation, we have obtained 41 invention patents, 70 utility model patents, 4 design patents, 11% international patents across Europe and beyond, 28 software copyrights. Our systems are fully compliant with ISO 9001 CE and GMP standards, ensuring reliability, safety, and regulatory compliance. Our engineering team brings over 15 years of industry experience, delivering solutions that are both precise and efficient. Precision accuracy up to 0.1 millimeters. Stable operation for 72 hours non-stop without failure. Maintenance costs reduced by up to 40%. We also offer free on-site evaluation, ensuring every solution is perfectly tailored to your production needs. Quality is built into every detail. Our factory is equipped with 10 Mazak machining centers, combined with full process quality assurance systems, 100% inspection of critical dimensions, strict QA at every production stage, export-grade reinforced, moisture-proof packaging. We ensure that every machine arrives safely, ready for immediate, reliable operation. At Hoping Machinery, our commitment goes far beyond delivery. We provide 24/7 rapid response support, readily available spare parts inventory, professional installation and commissioning, lifetime technical maintenance. No matter where you are, we are always ready to support your production, guided by our principle, where quality inspires trust. We believe that quality transforms the world and innovation leads the future. Zhejiang Hoping Machinery is dedicated to growing with our global partners and building a smarter, more efficient tomorrow.